In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create line icons for your UI design by using Figma. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and create a new design file or open an existing one where you want your icon to live. Make sure your canvas is clear and you can see the Layers panel on the left and Properties on the right, so everything you need is easy to access. Next, confirm you're in the Design panel on the right sidebar. This is where you'll control fills, strokes, alignment, and other styling options. Being in the Design tab ensures that every shape you add is editable and consistent with your project's style. Create a frame for your icon. Click the Frame tool and choose a standard square size, like 24 by 24 or 32 by 32. Keeping icons inside a consistent frame helps maintain alignment across your UI. If you like, enable pixel preview and snapping so your strokes land crisply on whole pixels. Now add the icon content. If you're tracing a reference, drag it in as a guide. Otherwise, start building the icon directly within the frame. The goal here is to keep everything contained so the icon scales and aligns predictably in your layouts. Click the Shape tools and add a rectangle as your base geometry if your icon needs it. Turn off fill and turn on stroke. Set the stroke weight to something typical for your system, like 1, 1.5, or 2 pixels. Keeping a single consistent stroke weight is key for a cohesive set. Make adjustments to refine the shape. Set rounded corners if needed. Align strokes to the center, and check stroke caps and joins. Rounded caps and joins often look cleaner for line icons. Nudge points so your edges sit on whole pixels to avoid blurry rendering. Attach your artwork to the frame by nesting all shapes inside it. If you're using a reference image, place it in the frame and toggle clip content to keep everything tidy. Lock the reference layer if needed so it doesn't move while you draw. Add lines with the Line tool to complete the icon details. Hold Shift to keep angles at 45 or 90 degrees, match the stroke weight to your base, and use rounded end caps for smooth terminals. Use Smart Guides to keep spacing even. Finally, make the needed adjustments. Center the icon within the frame, check visual balance, and unify stroke styles. Clean up any stray points, and group the icon so it's easy to reuse. With that, you've created a crisp, scalable line icon ready for your UI design.